welcome back to our channel. Today it's a very sad day. The Mark IV had to be sold. Yeah guys, so the Mark IV is finally sold, and that means our workshop manual, like you'll see in the clip coming up next, that our workshop manual is no more. So guys, like, subscribe, comment, please guys, comment. Tell me what am I doing wrong then. Let's get cracking to the show. This switch here, I know if you turn it or push it or something, it puts the wiper machine on, and then obviously the other function is to lift it off the window and pull it back. And this side the same. I don't know whether they work simultaneously or how they work, but I know it says a park start. I know when you turn this, the motor starts making a noise, but it doesn't move my wipers. There's something wrong.
Right, so all the wires are in. The door panels are in, the woodwork's on the top, the back ones we're putting in tomorrow. Making a parcel tray here out of plywood, check. That's still going to get carpeted so that soft top fits in there properly. Now, all a bit of a mess, but it's all getting there slowly. So parcel tray is done, the doors are done, handles are on, looking nice. So tomorrow doing all the prep work to get the soft top on later on. So yeah, all the day's work here, all of the day's work making the parcel tray. That'll have to be covered inside the boot. I think it's going to look quite cool when it all comes together. Cool. Right, so now we're prepping the backing of the panels, because you do see that a bit of it. So we're going to just glue carpeting on the back for the rear seat panels. Okay, so I'm busy cutting up the carpets, and we're going to glue up the carpets into the back shelf that we made, getting nice and high on the contact adhesive. But yeah, so all a bit of careful planning. So we made the inside of the boot now, and there's the shelf now. Nice. Okay. No. Now we're going to put these panels in on the sides. Cool. Right. So we've got the panels in, carpeted behind. Box is carpeted in the back. So when the soft part fits in here, it's not going to get damaged. So that was quite a mission coming together. So tomorrow we're going to start seeing how the soft top fits. And we're going to still make, a floor for the fuel tank. But yeah, so that should all be nice and safe and looking all right. And we're going to do the carpeting. Getting on. Nice. Right now, in order to fit the soft top, we had to remake this last piece of wood for the frame, because the other one was really buckled and bent. There it is on the floor. A bit crap. So we're laminating thin beams of timber together to be able to bend it wet it in the pool, and then clamp and glue it, and we take it off, sand it, and then we should have the right height for the back bow, hopefully. That's it. Anyway, we can't test the top properly if the bows are not all in the right position. We're making the floor for the boot. We've got the clamps ready on the wood up there for the soft top. And fiddling. Anyway, we may have to alter this, but we don't know yet until we get this right. If the framework isn't in the right position, we've had it. Anyway, we will get there. It's just patience.
So, obviously you're taking the car. I don't know if you're going to take the chassis now or whenever, but this is all yours. There's 1, 2, 3 diffs. There's some more things inside the car. I left you some documentation in the door. And if you go around to this door, oh shit. I left you a extra, what you call it, engine mounting. Both the chassis plates are here. And there's just some extra book for some literature about SU carbs. So that's all in the passenger door cell. And then the rest is up there. There's some extra, I don't know if I'm showing you, some extra leaf springs that you're also taking. Up here there's 2, 3 front fenders. That chassis over there must still come down, and then we've got all of this. Now remember, this is before they got here. I'll send you a video again from after they've left to show you what is still here. It's some dials. And all of this stuff must still be packed. But here's some front windows as well. And then we've got those fenders, and here's the chassis, must still come down. So I'll send you all another video once I've loaded. I'll keep you informed. So we've loaded the front chassis, the 2 gearboxes, the engine and 2 diffs. There's one and there's the other one there. And we're gonna load the car. I'll show you. Yeah, I showed him that. I'll send you another video about what's raced. Bye! We've only got the chassis left, and then we've got these fenders and the back pieces, and then all of this that still needs to go. Maybe we need to get a couple of guys next time to pack and load. So So all of this will come in the next trip, I guess. It should just come in one trip, I would imagine. Maybe 2 more trips. Almost forgot, this also needs to still go. But I think if somebody can pack it properly on the trailer and the bakkie, we can get everything on one more load, I'd say.
But I've been like, we had to make this piece of wood here now. And that took a fucking day to dry. Check the door cards are in.
Yes.
The soft top's here, but he's going to come and help
Door
us
cards.
alter it a little bit.
Roof is getting on.
Yeah, check here. Now, I wanted to ask you something because. Wait.
If we come around.
The parcel shelf is in. These are in. We carpeted in here because when the soft top goes in here, it must be soft.
Yeah.
All right.
Like awesome, man.
Just wait a minute. Let me get this side. Here's the soft top now. But he needs to alter it a little bit, and I'm still fiddling with it because the position of all of this is going to be perfect. To soft top's going to take me 2 or 3 days. Just grab here. So, wait a minute. I don't know why he didn't. Fuck, man. Just lift a little bit there.
Got something in my hand.
Yeah. Just leave the phone for now. Okay. So, we're getting sort of the idea. Mark's almost ready, but I must finish the fucking.
Yeah, the size looks good.
Yeah. And then, I wonder if he actually mounted this or not. I've got to be very careful here now. I wanted to ask you this question now. No, he just put it on temporarily. We built a boot in here.
Yeah, you can show me next time. But I'm sure you've put it all on.
No, but we've already carpeted the boot out. We made the board in there. And then we're also busy experimenting with something so that the water can run out. Because if you blow in here, it's going to be a fuck up. Now I've got this, which I think could be quite fucking cool. It was a leftover from Heinz's boat.
Okay.
To put the bottom in.
Yeah, so it looks like wood almost.
So it looks like wood.
Yeah.
You know? Which is going to go hopefully into the boot. It fits perfectly. It's an offcut. I mean, this stuff's so fucking expensive, and I had it left over. If I could open the boot now, I'd show you. And if the water comes in, I can push this underneath,
so
and it's also a splash thing.
Yeah. Sounds like a plan.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
I don't know. Can you?
Yeah. I'm just asking you. And I think this is going to work fucking beautiful because it's also waterproof and it looks like wood and yeah. So, but I promise you, the time figuring out shit.
But outside is a lovely day. Sunny, shiny, beautiful day at the beach.